Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, the nation's largest discount appliance dealer. Visit our website for deals and store locations near you.
Hi Colorado, this is Cleet Crocker with Appliance Factory, Mattress Kingdom. I'm here again at one of our stores and I've got some good news for you. I was doing a review of one of my favorite consumer magazines. I refer to it all the time. And I was trying to find out, what's out there, what's selling, what's even left in stock. And one of the things I noticed is that the top 4 French door refrigerators in the magazine was LG. All of them were LG appliances. And, fortunately for us today, we've got the #1 rated one right here behind me on the store. So I thought I'd tell you a little bit about and also give you a little bit of surprise on the pricing. Okay, so no one knows this, don't tell anybody. But first of all, let's talk about the refrigerator. So LG has been making outstanding refrigerators forever. I mean, I've been involved with this company for a long time, and I thoroughly recommend this brand. One of the things, let's just start out from the outside. They've got a dispenser here that's large enough to get just about everything you want inside there to fit. And it's really easy to control. All of your controls are right here. And as we see, you can even do measured fill here, which is something that very few refrigerators have. So if I want to put 4 ounces in a drink, I can just go like that and walk away, and it goes all the way up to 32 ounces. But it's got the most beautiful stainless steel sheen to it. We love this stuff. If you look on the bottom, this actually wiggles a little bit. Why is that? Well, if the seal is working correctly on one of these refrigerators, it should be a little tough to open up a door. So when you do that, what it does is it pops that seal. As you can see right there, it pops that seal so that you don't have to be pulling and maybe potentially pull your refrigerator out of its spot. So if we start from the bottom, we'll work our way up. As you can see, this has got great storage inside of it. And you've got storage here and you've got storage here. And we'll get into the ice maker here in just a second. When we open it up, check this out. This is very unusual, but very cool. This is kind of a stainless steel looking back, and it just makes it look like a premium refrigerator when you open it. And what I like about it, it also helps in keeping the refrigerator cool. It actually has a benefit more than just its aesthetic appeal. Right back here, we have an air filter for it. So a lot of your refrigerators have water filters. This one also has an air filter. It's got LED lighting all the way around, and since the lighting is toward the front, it's pushing the light back. So on a lot of refrigerators, as you got fuller with food, the darker the refrigerator would be because the lights would be in the back. Well, this one actually gets brighter because it gets closer to the food. And this refrigerator will never be a dark looking refrigerator once you have it plugged in. It's also got 2 humidity control crispers on the bottom, and it's also got a temperature controlled deli drawer here. And so when I say deli drawer, it could be more than deli. It could be, meats, cheeses, wine, whatever you want. Another thing that's nice about this is it's got a hidden ice maker inside there. And that ice maker, looks kind of thin inside there, but that's okay. This has actually got 2 ice makers on it. But the reason they do that is so that we can put more storage right here in the door without taking up a big clunky ice maker on the inside. So that's very appealing. Customers love that. It's got these cantilever shelves, gallon door storage, so they're very strong. Inside here, we have nice trim work. We even have a drawer here, or a shelf there, that opens and closes, and that way you can put something tall on the inside and pick up a little extra space when you need to. It also has the water filter in addition to the air filter. Now let's talk about the ice for just a second. What really makes this different is that it's got what's called cracked ice. So you get the normal crushed or cubed ice here, but in the bottom, when you open this up, this will be full of ice that looks similar to this, about this size. And it'll just be full of these. Now, what is this for? This ice is the best kind of ice you can use when you're having drinks. It melts very slowly. It's clear ice. And so when you're doing things like whiskey or scotch or other fine beverages, this makes it taste like it should instead of, something that's melting and watering it down. So you'll find that you'll get this ice will last a lot longer and is small enough to fit into any drink. It makes about 3 of these a day. So, you should have plenty. One of these ice cubes will last you all night long. But that'll be full, when you open that up. So it's also Energy Star rated. It's very cool. Let me tell you the model number of it. It's LRFXC2416S. Now here's the crazy thing. It's out of stock everywhere, except for Appliance Factory Mattress Kingdom. We actually have these in stock. So it sells normally for $34.99. Right now it's on sale for $31.99. When's the best time to buy? Well, believe it or not, on April the 8th, this is going to drop to $28.99. So my advice is, come on in, make your purchase, and take advantage of our 30-day price guarantee.